I'm currently the CEO and president of Icarus Consulting. We specialize in human resource management, but our superpower is helping companies recruit in a very competitive landscape. We also concentrate for our clients on their current workforce. That sometimes their current workforce feels like they're being overlooked. As a former military leader, corporate leader, educational leader, if there's one thing I understand, leadership sets the tone. In trying to make a team the most successful, that should not be looked at as something extra. That shouldn't be looked at as, oh my goodness, this is something else that I have to add to my plate. No, my friend, this is essential to you being successful. Attitude reflects leadership.
Contact Dr. Shelton Goode today to learn how to create a diverse workforce and sustain an inclusive workplace. Together, we will defy gravity.